Hi there, my name is Jenna and I did the face yoga challenge. I guess it started in November. I saw Fumiko doing her webinar live and I was really interested in finding out more about it because one, I was concerned with getting older and the fine lines that were showing up on my face, and Fumiko looked amazing and I just could not believe her age and the way her face looked. And so I saw that the price was right and I figured, what the heck, I'll just jump in. And so when I started, I didn't read through all of the instructions, which is pretty common for me, but I started using the Facebook group and I started working and communicating with all of these amazing women, and I saw them posting their faces on Facebook and, looking for tweaks and seeing what everybody saw. And so I remember taking my first selfie and I was absolutely mortified because I was like, oh my God, I look horrible. I look so ugly. This is awful. I cannot believe I'm doing this. And then I reminded myself that there were a bunch of people, thousands of people on Facebook, or maybe 1,200, so I should say hundreds of people, but still it felt like a million, doing this on the group. And you know what? I could be brave and do it. So I did do it. And the support that I got from everybody was truly so amazing. And I just felt so much love and I felt so supported. And I was able to do these, what felt like completely naked pictures of putting myself really vulnerable up there. And so I went through the challenge. I did my before and afters, and I had one of the members actually do my photos next to each other so I could see the side-by-side comparison, and I literally started to cry after seeing the results because it was truly transformational. While I was doing it, I could feel the difference. I felt different inside, and I knew I could see some differences on the outside, but it was the feeling different inside that was really the most important part to me. In fact, so much so that I'm sitting here taking a video that I'm going to send for people to look at, and I have absolutely not one stitch of makeup on. I have done my exercises today, and I did put on some oils that I'm using, but I have no makeup on my face. And I am sitting here doing this and I'm not feeling completely self-conscious, which in itself is such an amazing gift, especially for someone who has been struggling with breakouts almost for my entire life. I go through times where I have breakouts and then where I don't. And my face has been truly clear. And although it's a little red on the bottom, it has really been clearer and has made such a difference with the clearness in my skin. And I just feel amazing walking around, and I feel comfortable enough to actually walk outside even without makeup. So I am so happy with the results that I've received. I am so thrilled that I get to continue doing this. And I've been using the sonic brush, and also I can't remember what it's called, but it's the little brush with needles that you rub on your skin. And so I've been doing that as well, and I am just really thrilled with the results in 30 days, and I cannot wait to see what I see in a year. So Fumiko, thank you so much for putting up this program. Thank you so much for bringing this entire group together, and thank you so much for creating something that's so simple that can actually make me shine, not just from the outside, but on the inside as well. And I just cannot thank you enough. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.